Kwa majina naitwa Juda Rugathenge, Sub-County Police Commander Kuresoi North. Today in the morning at around 2:45 a.m. a grisly fatal road accident took place at Twin Bridge, that is along Naikuru Eldoret Highway. Between this Nissan Matatu that is behind us and the bus that is on the other side. And out of the accident, we lost 15 lives, 8 adults and 7 children, aged between 1 year and 15 years. And then several people were injured, with minor injuries, and we were able to evacuate them to Muru Sub-County Hospital, where so far they have been treated and they have been discharged. And the majority of them, they have proceeded with their journey to their destinations. A few of them are still waiting at Mau Summit Police Station as we wait for means for them to proceed with their journey. We have commenced the investigations, and so far we cannot be able to tell exactly what was the cause of the accident. So far, the driver of the Matatu perished. The driver of the bus escaped immediately after the accident. But in due course, because we are looking for him, the moment we get him, he's going to give us at least of whatever happened, and then we can be able to give further details of whatever about that particular accident. Wale watu waliaga ni wale watu walikuwa kwa Matatu. Kwa basi hakuna mtu aliaga hata mmoja, lakini walipata majeruhi na ndio tuweza kuokoa na kupeleka kwa hospitali Moro, na wameweza kutibiwa na hali yao si mbaya, wameweza kuwa discharged na wameweza kuproceed kwa na safari yao. The question of the drivers so that at least they can be able to maybe to have a discipline on the road, because especially when it comes to the issue of overspeeding, they should try at least to do at least they go with more, they don't overspeed along the ways. Then the issue of overloading, then they should also avoid the issue of overloading. And again, when somebody is fatigued, we encourage, especially the for maybe transport drivers, at least to be either two, or you even the moment you feel that you are so a bit tired, maybe fatigued, just take a rest, relax, and then maybe you can continue with the journey, maybe even if it means the following day, instead of just risking, forcing yourself, and then we cause such kind of an accident that we are observing on our roads.
Hapa dereva alikufia hapo on the spot.
Alikatwa kichwa sana.
Kwa sababu
Bukuta kama unachungulia hapo. Bukuta kama una ni mtoto wa mtu, mzee wa mtu, mama ya mtu. Mpaka mguu hii impact ilikuwa kubwa. Sijui sasa sijui mnapo wamepanga aje.